Hey guys, welcome back. Chicken with butter. So let's watch the chicken first. This is like chicken thigh, chicken leg, and chicken wings. There's like 3 different kind of chicken. I said to myself today, you know what? Let's do YouTube. Because I've been busy these days. So I just like, I don't have time. Make sure the chicken is nice and clean. Take that thing off that you don't need. Yeah, I went out with my sister. It was her birthday. It was fun. We had a good time. Pepper, coriander, chili powder, chili flakes, salt. My sister is calling. I got the phone. I'm doing my video. Mix it all up together. Toss the onion. My rice. And put it in. And then my chicken. Okay, my beans is done. Look at this. Yeah, it's cooked. Okay. Flour. I'm not gonna make too much. It's only me. That much. I don't want too sweet. Look at this. Such a beautiful day. Let's eat, guys. Really nice. Let's have an extra sauce. Yeah, actually it's nice and hot. I'm gonna stay in all day. Sauce are nice. Me and my mom thinking about going to Cannes for my birthday. We don't know yet. Just want to see where we live before. On when we go to school. And in the beach as well. And the fish and chips. Fish and chips in Cannes are the best. That was nice. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe. A peace, guys. Bye.